Hey everybody, my name is Jason. I'm the chef at Oregon State University's Food Innovation Center, and I'm here today to actually make squash and rhubarb granola. We've got butternut squash, rhubarb, roasted hazelnuts, and honey. Let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is cut the rhubarb kind of as thinly as possible. So I'm gonna add it to this bowl here, and what you see is a bunch of squash that I've grated. Now we're gonna add our roasted hazelnuts. We're gonna add just a spoonful of oats, a little bit of honey for sweetness, and a little bit of salt. Beautiful colors. I'm gonna stir this up really well. We're going to actually put this on our baking sheet. I'm gonna spread this into a nice thin layer. And now we're gonna take this and bake it in the oven. All right, there you have it. We have a very simple and delicious granola made from squash, hazelnuts, honey, and rhubarb. I like to enjoy my granola over yogurt, so this is how I have it, but you can make it how you'd like at home. Hope you enjoy.